Had a high of 1978, a low of 1912, 5-shot average of 1942, spread 66, deviation 29.
Let's take a look at 2 shots into the gel block. Let's take a look at those shots under the high-speed camera. Absolutely massive stretch cavities from these. That first 6 inches, you can see it blows up the block. Now taking a look at the gel block, you can see the damage of that stretch and fragmentation happens very early, and then the tiny disc of a bullet continues on just a little bit past that. How far? Between 1/2 and 5 inches is basically a shrapnel field where the bullet fragments quite dramatically, and then the base continues on, what's left of it, from 6 to 8.5 inches. Looking at the recovered weights, starting at 30 grains for each of these bullets, it drops quite a bit of weight with that fragmentation, and an expanded diameter going up to almost 1/2 inch. For recaps of this test and all other ammo tests, check us out on the Rimfire channel blog. Thanks for watching.